What is up, everyone? We are back, and this time we are going to build a G37 seat time car. We're going to keep it simple, and we're going to go with all the parts that I recommend, and we're going to get this bad boy on the road for next weekend's IAS Drift. So come on with me. As you can see, we have our choice of parts: Velino wheels, BC coilovers. We're going to be doing a dual caliper setup with GK Tech and a quick release, and then let's jump into the project. Alright, so I made a mistake. I accidentally ordered non-true type coilovers, but we need true type coilovers so we can get the most out of our drift alignment. And I don't know how I made that mistake, but I did. So it's Friday, we got to correct that. I already emailed them. But if you don't know what a divorce setup, I'm going to show you. The divorce setup is when these two components, the shock and the spring, are in two different positions. And what we want to do is order one where they're together. So then we can do a toe bucket delete arm. And what the toe bucket delete arm will do is get rid of the spring right here, and it'll allow us for full movement of toe correction. And then we'll get a better drift alignment at the end. So I gotta fix that mistake, so we're just gonna weld the diff today and probably mount the hydro bracket stuff. Little small step in the road, but we'll keep pressing forward. Fucking Kobe.
RIP.
Everything in the trash. Hopefully these parts come in and we don't need this lift. Was my mistake.
Everybody give Rudy a round of applause.
What?
Everybody give Rudy a round of applause.
Yeah.
Steven, it was a clap. My hands are tied up.
You're not even doing anything. Oh, I need a 1738.
So much movement is going on.
See, look, if Steven had his own wrench, I won't have to be, or his own ratchet that he claims he has his own tools. I don't have to use Christian's tools. Oh my gosh. Look, I'm about to take out the whole diff by myself. Ah! You know what I didn't also order?
What?
Fluid.
What, diff fluid?
Yeah. Hopefully we have enough. Yeah. There you go. You got that back.
Thick boy.
I need a 14. Whew. I think I need a 14.
That's hard.
Of course, of course. Bend action right there, like that. Whoa. Need a flathead? No flathead? No flathead. Gotta go get a flathead. Oh, got a flathead. Is it good enough? We'll find out. Oh, just enough, baby. Let's dump that slop into a bucket. Into a bucket. I bet you this smells like Nez's bedroom. Smell it, Nez? Oh! I didn't plan that out right. I should have went higher. Alright. 1, 2.
Still, no man.
Everything I do is clean. Gross. That way, after I clean it, all this shit can sit flush. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Gonna look brand new. Make sure it gets a little drippy. Alright, now I gotta clean the diff. Same but different.
dog. Yeah, dog. Yeah, dog.
That's how you stay warm.
Don't trust you.
I don't trust myself. I love fire. I don't know. I don't know what it is about fire. It just gets me warm. What?
Jesus.
Dog.
Look on.
That's one way to clean it.
So what you want to do is get all the impurities out of the.
Oh shit.
If you look, you can see it's starting to get dry now. You see how it was all oily, like over here, but I'm concentrating it right here.
God, no, you got it on me.
Look how warm it is. It's like a heater. Don't do this at home, though.
Huh? Putting these shoes back on. Cause they go like this. Look at this. Look at this. Twist in, a little twisty twist.
Like horseshoes?
Basically. Boom, boom. That goes on right there. Because we're keeping the stock little handbrake. We're putting the dual caliper breakers back on. We had to put this little black piece just so boom, boom. And then all the hardware is right here. This is the left side, that's the right, well, right side stuff, left side stuff. Caliper. Something on that. And I just gotta copy this side to that side, and then it's done. Well, this portion of it's done.
Let's see. 10K? I'll fucking take it. I will take that, baby! What am I missing? Anything? Let's see. Why is there no pedestal up top? There's no pedestal up top there?
What do you mean?
Oh, okay. Oh, I think we have to swap over that bracket. You know, I don't think we've ever done G37 coilovers, have we? No. Look at that. Alright. Sheesh. Someone practices these super nicely. Alright. So basically, gonna take this whole thing apart, shove this spring on there, and call it a day for now because we cannot double back. And then, since it's not Friday, on probably Monday, I'll probably get everything corrected. But for today, let's just keep moving.
You like that shit? Look at that. Done.
Done? That's good. Alright, new change of plans. I'm going to put the divorce setup on it still, and then we'll do the first drift event. Since it's not even getting toe bucket release this time around, I'll just correct it myself later and get the real conversion instead of trying to makeshift something and going with the heavier spring. So, yeah. Fuck it. We'll just put it on like this.
So now we go like this. Put that 14 back on.
Did I give you the nuts?
Yeah, my hand.
Oh, okay.
I know that should hurt. Alright, follow. No.
What?
You
said put the 14 on.
Alright, these? Okay, so these are, they go specific. So these, we're gonna go through the back to the hub, correct?
Okay.
Boom, hub.
I have one long coilover and I think I threw it
This
away.
will be for the new aftermarket brake. Okay. This will be for the OEM, but the OEMs, they're longer. Gonna put these spacers on, so boom, boom. Capiche?
Capiche.
Alright. It's stepping.
Meanwhile.
Times, baby!
That's it?
No. We have to do a bunch of these.
Two hours later.
What you doing, Christian?
Resealing the diff after we welded it.
Yeah.
I need silicone. Yeah.
I think we'll break this up into 3 segments. So, today we'll finish putting the diff in, put the rear brake lines in.
Uh-huh.
That's it. Then Monday we'll do the front.
Oh, today is Friday, huh?
Well, it is Friday. Look at that. Alright, tell time when you don't go to work.
So you have to put it in the grooves, right?
Yep. Gotta fill up these little cavities. The Akibonos and Brembos are basically the same thing.
So what?
There you go.
They figured it out. Damn, you do that so good.
Shut up, man. Fuck
You're
you.
welcome.
Probably put too much, but it's okay. Rather be too much than too little. Tell you what. Hard work.
Oh, I got it. You ready, glue?
Ready to glue, brother.
Ready to glue? Okay. Coming.
Okay.
Oh, you're gonna probably want to put like Loctite on that. You're gonna drop that thing.
You got the 14s ready?
Yeah, I'm already going.
Good.
Done skis. Let it sit like that for a couple minutes.
And then let that shit get tagged. Right? You get tagged with all that motherfucker right back in. Good. What are we doing?
Who stands like that? There's a whole lift. It goes up and down. This motherfucker.
I'm not gonna lie, I was doing that shit earlier.
That shit's weird to me.
Imagine you strip that out.
I won't bend backwards for no one. Yeah?
When you walk back this way, can you bring that
Look
wheel?
at his pants are falling down. Are you wearing a belt?
Yeah.
Really?
My pants aren't
Can,
falling
can,
down. I have
can,
the 32.
can you bring that? Can you bring that? Can you bring that? The wheel?
Huh?
Can you bring the wheel?
What do you do with the wheel?
Put it over here.
Fair enough.
I didn't feel like grabbing it. So, our good old friend Steven here. You probably want to stack it on there too instead of just leaning it. In case somebody wants to sit later. And somebody sit, me sit later. There you go.
Let's go up. Let's put a dish in. Let's struggle.
Put it onto this first.
Put your hand in there.
Yeah, move your wrist.
Yeah, I got it.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Come on, get in the hole. It's in the hole. Alright. Now I lost the bolt.
Are they in the cart?
Right here.
Dang, you're so in the cart.
Look, you don't even know what he's looking for. He got the wrong bolt.
Oh, okay, cool. Never mind.
Yeah, you don't know shit. But at least look what you're doing. Alright, you guys can let go. It's not that serious. You guys never done diff before or what? It's real different.
Alright, good.
Good. Hurry up, Steven.
Beat you to it, brother.
Apparently.
Beat you to it.
This is a different kind of gangbang.
Ha ha ha. You're so funny.
You better laugh at his jokes. He pays your goddamn. He pays you for this shit. Sometimes they just don't know.
I guess. Some people just can't be helped.
Iron people.
You're absolutely right, Mr. Pro EFI.
Shut the hell up. Dumbass.
Dumbass.
Stand up for yourself, Nez.
Stand up for yourself, Nez.
Nah, it just sounds like I'm at home.
It's called Steven a bitch.
Later.
Keep spinning. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. Where are you, slow?
You're not gonna screw them all the way in? What are you, slow?
I'm literally screwing them in.
This guy. Look at this.
Look, you can do everyone's job here. I'm a fucking beast. Saw me mounting tires today? Couldn't even air them up as quickly as I was changing the tires.
Yes, I did.
Look at that. Keep going. Here, give him a wrench so he can tighten one side. I will spin it.
Look at you messing up the silicone.
Come on, tighten up your side. Alright, next one. You spend way too much. What are you doing? You fucking retard. That was the one you already tightened.
Making sure it's tight. Always.
You only need to do it once, fool. Did you do this one? No.
No.
Because I saw you miss that one.
I did it.
That's why you did the one twice, because you missed that one.
No,
Yeah.
I'm tightening it the same way I would tighten a wheel.
What? No.
You don't fucking go.
Tighten that one.
Okay, fine.
With a fucking star pattern on the axle.
Yeah, everything.
Get the hell out of here.
Skedaddle.
Look at you. You're fucking up to all of the fucking silicone.
Yeah.
This is from what you gave me from here. My silicone's
No,
perfect.
What are you
You're
talking
like-
about? What
You're
are you
like
talking
finger
about?
banging that shit.
That's right there. Look, right
Come
there. That's where you
on,
messed it up.
Steven! Look at you. We're already like
Oh, this
almost
one?
done.
Oh, this one? I finished already. This guy's silly.
Steven's trying to rip off my fingers over here.
Trying to make sure we don't
All
have...
aggro and stuff. Good? Good.
Oh, brother. These guys stink.
Look, see, we're already on the next thing, Steven. What are you waiting for? Ugh.
Ouch.
What are you doing with that?
Huh?
Oh, see, he missed all that. I don't even know what he did that whole time.
What?
You took like 1:30 over there. Is that enough for a video today?
Oh my god, you guys did it!
Shut up, Nez.
Shut
I'll
the
fire
hell up.
you right now.
I'm sorry.
Is that good?
Does this have
Yeah!
Until next time?
Until next time!
What?